Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sneha L. Singhani. I will be speaking about different kinds of burrs that are used during tooth preparation for all metal, PFM crowns and zirconia crowns. So we are usually confused. I've seen people asking about burrs that make quick preparations and proper margins. As marginal seal is important for any tooth preparation. So I'll be talking about different burrs. So first burr is RS11. RS11 burr. This is you can use this burr for PFM crowns, zirconia crowns. This has rounded shoulder margin. So the concept of shoulder has been disapproved. We are now using rounded shoulder as the margin for PFM crowns, and even zirconia crowns can be used for this. So since zirconia requires lesser thickness of the crown, even TR13 burr can be used. This is TR13, the packet I don't have it right now, and this is the same polishing burr for this. So the yellow burrs are for the fine polishing. The grits in the diamond points is lesser, so it helps in polishing. Whereas this blue one is for the grinding or the cutting of your tooth. So this is RS11. It will give you a rounded margin, and you have to use this really carefully. Like only the half of the burr width should be used to make the margin. If you will use the entire tip of the burr, you will find that you have over prepared it. So use this really carefully, and if you are not really sure that it will cut your tooth more, so I would suggest you to use TR13. This will give you proper thickness of the margin, how much it's required, right? Like 0.8 to 0.9 mm. So that will be sufficient. And if you are using TR13, you use TR13EF for polishing. If you use any other for polishing, then it becomes like the margin is again hampered. So if you are using RS also has a polishing burr. Now there are cases wherein you are unable, like the patient has lesser mouth opening, or the distal margin you are unable to, like we usually face problems such as the aerotor head is touching the opposite tooth, so we are unable to put the aerotor parallelly. So there are these smaller burrs which are available in RS. It is RS21. This one has a smaller height, so it easily goes into the distal region, and you can easily do the preparation. Also for PFM crowns and for zirconia crowns, I really like this burr, which is TRSS21. So SS is short shank. So the whole of the burr really goes into your aerotor, and there is no shank that comes in, it really decreases your height. So this is a really good burr wherever you feel that the crown height is lesser and you need the longer shank is not required. So you can take this burr. It's beautiful. And I use TF11, or this burr, like 11 has a pointed tip, or TC11 also comes in this. So this is only to break your contact region, nothing else, because these burrs usually were initially used to give knife edge margin. In case you want to give knife edge margin, you can use this burr. I would recommend to use TC burr. TF will give you a flat sharp margin. For all metal crowns, SO20 and SO21 is available. So SO20 again has a smaller length. It can be used for molars, since molars have a smaller height, whereas premolars are slightly longer. So in longer tooth you can use SO21. These two burrs don't have polishing, the yellow burrs in them. Now occlusal burrs. So for occlusal burrs, anteriors, FO32, it's a football shaped burr. Like it has a pointed tip at its, it has a pointed tip. So the cingulum can really be finished nicely with this burr. Second is EX11. So first I'll talk about EX21. So this is EX21, which is, this actually has a football, like it has a rounded tip over it. So you can finish your cingulum with this burr. And this one is blue burr in EX21. This is EX21EF. Next, for the molars and the premolars, if you want to give the cuspal height and the two plane of the occlusal reduction, then this burr is really good because it already has that two plane. It is diamond shaped. So it really reduces your effort. And also I have seen that if you use any of the other burr like TR13, which is used for proximal reduction, the cheek gets trapped or the tongue injury happens. So this is a really good burr. So even this, there are two types. There is EX11 and EX12. EX12 is a bigger, so you can use it for molars, and EX11 is of a smaller size, which can be used for premolars. Another is a WR13, which also is a occlusal burr. It is wheel shaped, so this is also used to finish cingulum, but I hardly use this. I guess F432 do wonders for cingulum. Thank you.